What to do when a man you like ignores you. The illusion of finding the ideal partner for us is always something that provokes a lot of expectation. Idealizing that man as we would like him to be is a very warm feeling, but when you finally meet that man who makes you think he is the one, it turns out that he totally ignores you. If things have not gone as you imagined and you still do not know what to do when a man you like ignores you, do not worry, because we will show you several points to manage this situation in the best way. 1. Control your feelings. It is very normal, under this situation, to become depressed. It is not strange that these questions go through your mind. Why don't you like me? Do I have something wrong? Could it be that I am insignificant? Among many others. The advice we give you in this situation is to control your feelings. In most cases, when a man ignores a woman, it is not for something personal with her, nor is it for being insignificant, but simply that she is not his type, or he does not see her as a possible partner. You should never get depressed or think negatively about yourself. Remember that a positive attitude makes you much more attractive to anyone. 2. Analyze the situation. When it comes to love, we all tend to be a little impulsive. Even people characterized by being introverts tend to throw themselves without more, obtaining in most cases negative results for acting in this way. The best thing you can do in this situation is to stop and think. Analyze what will be the reason why this man is ignoring you, and if when you find the answer you discover that it is something that depends on you, what you should do is stop acting as before and try a different approach. In this way he can see you otherwise. 3. Avoid overexposing yourself. To know what to do when a man you like ignores you, you have to avoid overexposing yourself. It is common in girls who are ignored by a man, to think that perhaps they need to appear more in their way to be noticed. Bumping accidentally in the places he frequents, or even starting to dress sexier to attract his attention, does not bring the results that could be expected. Doing this, what you will only achieve will be to make him notice that you are desperate, or, worse, that you are an easy girl, which will make him only take advantage of you. 4. Respect his space. Stop chasing him incessantly for his approval. Think that maybe you are being a bit heavy and you could overwhelm him. It depends on the previous treatment you have with this man. Sometimes it is good to make yourself mist a little. Some time disappear and most likely he will contact you to hear from you. 5. Discover his interests. We all like the idea of being able to share our hobbies with our partner, so finding a person with our same tastes automatically makes it appealing to us. Find out what he likes and try to have a conversation with him on that subject, so he will start seeing you with different eyes, but be careful, if you go over you could hopelessly enter the dreaded friend zone. 6. Ignore him. We all like, to a greater or lesser extent, to feel attractive. So if you are paying close attention to a man who ignores you, maybe you should try to do the same. If your life revolves around that of a man who ignores you and, suddenly, you cut off this attention, you will most likely make him ask himself what has happened, and it is he who will seek you to recover that allegedly lost interest. 7. Be frontal. To know what to do when a man you like ignores you, we recommend that you go face to face and tell him, directly, what you feel for him. Many times, with men, subtleties do not work, so raising your feelings is the fastest way out of uncertainty. Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.